So our next one Indo-Anglian writer is in the unit first Dr. Bhavani Bhatt Acharya. He is the fourth one, and let us try to have a look at the main point of Bhavani Bhattacharya for the examination. This one, fourth one, Bhavani Bhattacharya. Bhavani Bhattacharya, he was born in 1906. Okay, Bhavani Bhattacharya was born in 1906 in Bhagalpur, means in Bengal. In Bhagalpur, or in Bengal, it is Bhagalpur is in Bengal, and he died in 1988. Another important point is he was an Indian writer of Bengali origin, because he was born in Bengal, so he was an Indian writer of Bengali origin. He got a bachelor's degree from Patna University and a doctorate from the University of London. Next important point about him is that he wrote mainly social realist fiction. Okay, it is very important for you that he wrote mainly social realistic based novels. And main works of Bhavani Bhattacharya's are Some Memorable Yesterdays, So Many Hungers, He Who Rides a Tiger, The Golden Boat, Music for Mohini, Shadow from Ladakh, A Goddess Named Gold, Gandhi the Writer, A Dream in Hawaii. He has written so many important works, so many famous works he has given to us, and it was not possible for me to sort out. So this is why that I have taken so many literary works of Bhavani Bhattacharya, and in the examination you can be asked either 2 or 3. So you can keep in your mind either 2 or 3 according to your comfort, whatever you like. So this is why that I have mentioned all this. And the central theme of his novels is famine and hunger. The central theme of his novels is famine and hunger. Just look here that all these are the works of Bhavani Bhattacharya. And Shadow from Ladakh, it was published in 1966 and it won Sahitya Academy Award. So there are so many novels of Bhavani Bhattacharya, right? And this is why that I am saying that it was not possible for me to sort out what I should take and what I should give up. But the very important, I just tell you that very important were mainly 5 novels. So I am trying to give you the detailed of Bhavani Bhattacharya and the main 5 novels, so that if in the examination if you are asked write down or name the 5 important novels of Bhavani Bhattacharya, so you can mention. Dr. Bhavani Bhattacharya's 5 novels name are So Many Hungers. Okay, So Many Hungers, and it was published in 1947. Music for Mohini, 1952. He Who Rides a Tiger in 1954. A Goddess Named Gold in 1960. And Shadow from Ladakh, as I told you that it also won him Sahitya Academy Award. It was published in 1966. All these are very important 5 novels of Bhavani Bhattacharya. Form rather an impressive achievement. Okay, impressive achievement. The Sahitya Academy Award to him in 1967, and it was a fitting recognition of his standing and achievement in the field of Indian fiction in English. So this was Bhavani Bhattacharya's, all these were main points related to him.